Have you ever realized that the way you speak about tomorrow actually shapes it? Most people wait for the future to happen to them, but language learners have a superpower. We can construct our reality using grammar. Today, I'm not just going to teach you English. I'm going to show you how to design your entire life using the power of the future tense. By the end of this video, you won't just understand the grammar, you will have a blueprint for your own dreams. Let's stop looking back. Let's look forward. Welcome back. Today we are doing something different. I am locking the door to the past and throwing away the key to the present. For the next few minutes, I will only exist in the future. I am going to speak exclusively about what is to come. This is the ultimate practice to help you master future tenses naturally. We are going to explore my career, my travels, my health, and my biggest dreams, all while using the grammar that defines destiny. Let's dive into the first pillar of my future, my life's work. My career is about to undergo a massive transformation. Currently, I teach and I create content, but I am going to scale this up significantly. In the coming years, I will not just be a teacher. I will be the architect of a global community. I'm going to build an online sanctuary where students from every corner of the map, from Brazil to Japan, will connect. It will be more than just a classroom. It will be a hub of motivation. Next year, I am launching a brand new platform. This isn't just a plan, it's a promise. I will create hundreds of daily lessons, video masterclasses, and spaces for live conversation. My goal is clear. By the time I finish the first phase, I will have helped thousands of you find your voice. I'm also going to launch a dedicated series for beginners, speaking slowly and clearly, ensuring that no one gets left behind. But the vision goes beyond video. I'm going to become an author. I will write the ultimate guide on building language habits. I will teach you not just vocabulary, but how to weave English into your daily routine so that you eventually stop translating in your head and start thinking like a native speaker. The manuscript will be finished by next summer, and it will be in your hands before the year ends. Now, let's pack our bags. Let's talk about travel. There is so much of this world I haven't seen, and I am going to change that. I will become a true explorer. My itinerary starts next summer with a trip to Japan. I am staying there for a full month. Can you imagine it? I will walk the neon streets of Tokyo, I will taste authentic sushi, and I will find peace in ancient temples. I'm even going to learn basic Japanese phrases to respect the culture. After Asia, I am heading to South America. I will touch down in Brazil first. I want to feel the energy of the culture and meet the people. My plan is simple. I will visit at least 2 new countries every single year. I will hike mountains, cross deserts, and swim in new oceans. And throughout this journey, I will keep a detailed diary, preserving every memory. But travel isn't just for leisure. I will take my work with me. I will give speeches at universities and meet students face to face. These experiences will not just be fun, they will make me a better educator. Of course, to achieve all of this, I need energy. Let's talk about health. I am going to overhaul my physical life. I want energy, longevity, and focus. Starting next month, I am joining a new gym. I will be training 4 days a week without excuses. Mondays and Thursdays, I will lift weights to build strength. Tuesdays and Fridays, I will run to build endurance. But it's not just about sweating. It's about balance. I will practice yoga twice a week to keep my mind flexible. I will prioritize recovery. I'm going to sleep 8 hours every single night because a rested brain is a learning brain. My nutrition will change too. I will fuel my body with fresh vegetables, fruits, and whole foods. I will say goodbye to sugar and junk food. I will drink more water and cook my own meals. This physical discipline will sharpen my mind, allowing me to focus deeply on my creative projects. Speaking of creativity, let's discuss hobbies. Life isn't just work and discipline. It must be beautiful. I am going to learn to play the guitar. I'm buying one next month and I will practice for 20 minutes every day.
I'll start with simple chords, but by the end of the year, I will be playing full songs. I will also return to the canvas. I'm going to start painting again, landscapes, abstracts, whatever comes to mind. And I will read. I will read 12 books this year, diving into science and fiction, expanding my imagination.
Finally, let's look at the ultimate horizon, my big dreams. Everything I'm telling you is leading toward one massive goal. I am going to build a legacy in language learning. I will create a company that changes how the world speaks English. It will be a holistic ecosystem of courses, books, and events. I will show the world that learning a language isn't just about words, it's about opening doors to new opportunities. I will stand on international stages. I will inspire people to chase their potential. And I hope by sharing this vision with you, using these future tenses, will, going to, and the present continuous, I have inspired you to articulate your own future. The future isn't something you wait for. It is something you write, speak, and create. You now have the vocabulary to declare your destiny. Practice these structures. Say them out loud. Dream big. Thank you for joining me on this journey forward. I will see you in the next video where we will continue to unlock your potential. If you are ready to build your future with English, make sure to click that like button and please subscribe to English Glow. I'll see you in the future.